Hi guys, today we want to talk about something very important. Today we're talking about media exposure. This is Marilyn Espana and I'm here to explain to you a little bit more of what this is all about. So first and foremost, we want to start here with media exposure because we want to focus on how it is impacting our self-esteem, right? So we partnered up here with Dove and they are sharing here some projects of self-esteem enrichment. So parents and mentors are encouraged to participate in self-esteem activities with their children in order to build self-love. So what is this? So this means that we will be talking about appearance, to respect and to look after oneself, dealing with bullying and understanding each other, loving your hair just as God created. This means my hair is my crown. Then we're going into family, friends, and relationship group discussions to help parents communicate with their children. And this is all offering support, listening, and offering suggestions, advice of what to do if there are any issues within their circle, and also guiding the children through life. So this is all part of the Self-Esteem Project. Next, we have the next important part of social media, on how we receive social media. Our kids receive social media. It's confidence. So number 2, Confident Me is a school workshop on body image. So what is this? Here we are talking about self-esteem, teaching resources, and training videos available to share with each other so that we can understand how we can love ourselves a little bit better every day. So this is also by teaching children how to challenge discrimination through inclusion, right? We want to include everyone and not create groups or cliques, and that's something that we like to teach our little ones. Body image activities, embrace yourself as God made you. So this is very crucial. The next one is we want to talk about the 3 main impacts of media on children. So why is this important? Studies have found that through media exposure, children have felt as if their childhood has been stolen, right? So because of body image and things in that manner. Body image falls in the category here where it's computer-generated images, makeup lighting, and unrealistic cosmetics being offered to our youth as a beauty standard. Next, we have self-concept. Here, this is very important also because they're focusing on sexuality as a means of popularity. So the sexier you are, the more popular you'll be on social media platforms. And that is what the message they're portraying through some websites or applications. The next one would be sexual behaviors. So this is very important because through all of these, we conclude that they will show sexual behaviors because teens and kids feel comfortable using casual behaviors as such. So we want to make sure we understand how these affect us. But how can we fix this? So what is a positive outcome of this? So becoming better consumers of media. How do we get there? Studies have found here that through volunteering, we can achieve this, or making things important. So the first and foremost is through competence. So doing something well that is important, that will bring the world together and make a change. The next one will be confidence. So helping engage confidence by acting upon negatives in the media, right? So speaking up, and that also comes through character. So understanding the difference between right and wrong and standing up for it and speaking up in a friendly manner so that we can implement changes in things that are not right. And that comes through connection, right? So we would focus on sport teams, going to church, volunteering in different programs, the ones that you like best, something that's your passion, and that comes through serving serving God and the word, the gospel, through our service and our connection with each other, right? And that also flows into caring, the caring aspect of becoming a better consumer, because we'll start sharing with the community, about making things better, embracing each other and the world, and being an anti-bully advocate. Those are things that we can implement and becoming better consumers of social media and bringing the best out of it. So here we can see that children's media access is through the most popular apps. Here on the right, you can see that apps used most often by teens and preteens are TikTok, YouTube, Roblox. Those are the main ones right now. And then we go through the other ones that are more educational. I guess YouTube Kids, you could say it's more filtered, but on the other hand, we don't have much educational content being offered here on this spectrum. So what are the recommendations to parents and teachers? So first, we want to start by restricting social media platforms under parental control. Most iPhones and Samsung softwares have sharing of parental control, where you can see what your child is looking at, and you can restrict and block unwanted websites through cyber services as well. So downloading only children-friendly apps is also a great way to making sure that you're looking at the right things. We would like to also set up parental passwords on all media platforms if necessary, and have access to your child's phone or tablets or computers where you can make sure that everything is flowing the right direction. So cell phones and social media guidelines, how do we get there? So in the classroom, we want to, and also at home, we want to allow parents to monitor phones at any time. Like I said before, we want to make sure that if you are underage, it is best to turn in your phone every night to your parent, just for security. And sometimes it is best if you are under the age of 14. So then let parents know your passwords if something was to happen to you, or if for emergency purposes, it's good to have your parents aware of where you're at as far as your phones and your tablets and things as such. Teachers, we want to encourage teachers to manage social media usage during class. And nowadays, it's been quite harder with other things as far as iPods and iPhone watches, but this is for the best of everyone, and especially in an educational setting, we want to make sure that we are all on the same page and focusing, and social media shouldn't become a distraction, I guess I could say. So we would also encourage teachers to control any inappropriate behaviors through this media usage in the classroom, and that focuses on bullying. That's pretty much mostly important and what we're trying to target here. Thank you very much.